here at Uncle Giuseppe's Marketplace with Frankie the baker. I see what you're making, but tell everybody else.
So we got raisin scones here. It's a simple recipe, 5 ingredients, and we're gonna start with the raisins.
I love a scone, Frankie.
Yep, this is gonna be your baking powder, sugar, and a little salt, pinch of salt. This is your flour. Now the honey, we're gonna try to get out with a spoon.
Good luck.
About half a cup of your heavy cream in there. And then you just drip a little bit in, a little bit at a time. I
could do this.
Yep.
This is an easy one.
1 or 2 minutes and it's ready. That's your consistency. So what you want to do is put a little flour, like that.
Like if you're not a raisin fan.
Yeah, you could go with chocolate chips.
Yes.
You could go blueberries.
Yes.
You could go, you know, squeeze a lemon scone or a little zest on top. Anything you like. A little bit of flour. Just roll it, cut it in 4. You got 1, 2, and then you just want to dough them up.
I'm assuming they expand.
Yes, they're gonna blow up nice.
This looks like the size of
yes.
one.
All right, just put a little flour on your hand, make a little bolly. You just want to egg wash the top. You're ready to go in the oven.
Okay.
330, 30 minutes.
Sounds good.
There you go.
Good looking scone,
All
Frankie.
right.
Oh, there it is.
Look at that heat.
Ooh, I love that. So if you want to try this super easy recipe, head to newshelf.com. You'll find the recipe there. Yum. Thank you.
You're welcome.